discussing lines and angles, and we solve, I think, 6 point chapter number 6.2. Up to 6.2 we have discussed. Today we'll start from 6.3. But before starting the chapter, there are few theorems, at least two theorems. Okay, I would like to discuss them first. The theorems are very easy and all of you know about the theorem. Okay, so the first theorem is that the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. I think you know very well this property of a triangle since your class 7, but till I am just discussing you the theorem. So let us consider a triangle ABC. We have to prove that the sum of the all interior angle, mean this angle plus this angle plus this angle, is equal to 180 degree. We will prove it. So for let this is angle number 1, suppose this is angle number 2 and this is angle number 3. Means we have to prove that the sum of the angles 1 and 2 and angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all interior angle is equal to 180. This is to prove. What we have to prove? Okay, now we can prove the theorem very easily if we draw a line through the point A and parallel to the line BC. If we draw a line through A and parallel to BC. Now I think you must know what is the alternate interior angle. What is the alternate interior angle? Suppose if there are two parallel line and there is one transversal, so the this type of angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, is called alternate interior angle. And if the lines are parallel to each other, we know that the alternate interior angles are equal. Now we can say that the line, okay, suppose the line is xy. We can say that the line xy is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. AB is the transversal. So we can say that this angle and this angle are equal. Means angle XAB is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to angle 1. So this is also angle 1. By similar procedure, we can say that XY is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. So this angle and this angle are alternate interior angle. So they will be also equal. So this is here angle 2. So this is angle 1, this is angle 3 and this is angle 2. Now if we add all the angles, so angles 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, see what happened? We have the total this angle XAY. And what is the value of this angle? This, you can see that this is a straight angle and the measurement of straight angle is equal to 180 degree. So this is equal to 180 degree. That means the sum of the all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is a very easy proof and I think you all know about it, why the sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now similarly there is another theorem that if you extend one side of a triangle, so the exterior angle will be the sum of the opposite interior angles. You know the theorem very well, but till I am just giving a small idea about that theorem. Okay, so the statement of the theorem is if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Okay, so prove the theorem. So let us consider a triangle suppose PQR, and we're extending the side QR to the point, suppose X. So this exterior angle PRS will be equal to the opposite sum of the opposite interior angle, mean this angle plus this angle. Okay, so how we'll prove it? Now to prove this theorem, we'll apply two concepts. One is the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and one is the what is the linear pair of angle. Okay, so we know that the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle, this angle, name of this angle is QPR. So QPR plus this angle means PQR, angle PQR plus this angle, that is angle PRQ. This is equal to 180 degree. Why? Just write the reason. Just we have learned that sum of the all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now from here, just calculate the value of QPR plus angle PQR. So that is equal to 180 degree minus angle PRQ. So make it a numbering, suppose number 1. And we know the linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle means if one line standing over another line, then this pair of angle is called a linear pair of angle, and the sum of the linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. So you can see that the line PR, this line, it's standing over the line QS. So these two angle are linear pair of angle, and their sum will be equal to 180 degree. That means angle PRS plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair of angle. That means angle PRS is equal to 180 degree minus angle PRQ. Let this is equation number 2. Now if I compare equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can see that both the quantity, this and this, are equal to 180 minus angle PQR. So comparing 1 and 2, we can say that angle PRS is equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. Angle QPR plus angle PQR. That means PRS means this angle is equal to sum of this angle plus this angle. This is the called exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, there was just two theorem. We have learned it. Now we'll solve some problem from your exercise. Okay, so we are starting the exercise number 6.3. Okay, so just have a look from on the first question, very first question of the exercise number 6.3. Okay, the first question is in the figure 6.39, the diagram is drawn here. Okay, so draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Okay, so the name of the triangle is PQR. PQR. This is produced to T, and this angle is produced to S. Okay, so in the figure 6.39, the side QP, that is QP, is produced to S, and the side RQ is produced to the point T. If angle SPR, so this is SPR, this angle is equal to 135, and the angle PQT, this angle is equal to 110 degree. So we have to find the value of angle PRQ. PRQ. We have to find what is the value of this angle. Okay, so we'll solve the problem using the two theorem just we have learned. So first is the linear pair of angles. Now look, this angle and this angle, we can say that they are linear pair of angle. So angle SPR means this angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because you can say they are linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angles. And we know that the sum of the linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. That means what is the value of angle SPR? The value of angle SPR is equal to 135. It is given. Plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. That means what is the value of angle RPQ? So angle RPQ equal to 118 minus 135. That means value of the RPQ equal to RPQ is equal to 4. That is equal to 45 degree. So value of this angle is equal to 45 degree. 45 degree. Now this angle is known, this exterior angle is known, but this opposite interior angle is not known. So we can, if we apply the exterior angle property of a triangle, then we can solve this problem. So now apply exterior angle property, because in the triangle PQR, the side RQ is produced to the point point T. So the exterior angle TQP means this angle TQP is equal to that angle plus that angle, means angle QPR plus angle PRQ. Why? We write the exterior angle property of a triangle. That means what is the value of angle TPQ? That is equal to 45 degree. Is equal to what is the value of angle QPR? So value of angle QPR equal to 45 degree plus angle PRQ. That means the value of angle PRQ is equal to, sorry, this is 110 degree. 110 degree. So 110 minus 45 degree. So that is equal to angle PRQ is equal to 565. So 55 degree. So value of this angle is equal to, sorry, not 55, 65 degree. So value of this angle is equal to 65 degree. Okay, value of this angle equal to 65 and solved. Okay. Okay, so let's solve the next question. Question number 2. Now, question number 2 is in the figure 6.40. So diagram is given here. XYZ is a triangle. XYZ is a triangle. XYZ is a triangle with this angle is equal to 62 degree. This angle is equal to 54 degree. Okay, this angle is not given, but we can apply interior angle property. You can calculate this angle. Okay, first read the question. Angle X equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ equal to 54 degree. If OY and OZ are bisector, OY is the bisector of this angle. Now, what is the meaning of bisector of an angle? Bisector of an angle means a line which divide the angle into equal part. Means if this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. If an angle is equal to suppose 70 degree, and if this is the bisector, so each of the angle will be 70 by 2, means 35 degree. So this is the bisector. Bisector means a line which divide the angle into two equal part. Now since OY is a bisector of the angle Y, so each of this angle will be 54 by 2. So Y is the bisector of this angle and OZ is a bisector of Z angle. So we have to calculate the value of angle OZY. OZY, what is the value of this angle? And second question is the value of angle YOZ. YOZ. This. Okay. So we'll have to calculate the value of this angle and value of this angle. Now first we consider the triangle XYZ. In that triangle, two angles are given, but one angle is not given. So calculate the this unknown angle. So consider in the triangle XYZ, if we apply the angle sum property of a triangle, so we have angle XYZ plus angle YXZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180. Why? Because it is called angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. What is the value of angle XYZ? That is equal to 54 degree. What is the value of angle YXZ? This is equal to 62 degree. And the value of angle XZY is not unknown. That is equal to 180. So angle XZY is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree plus 62 degree. That means angle XZY is equal to 180 degree minus this is 6 and this is 1 so 6 degree. So if I calculate it, it will be 4 to 64 degree. So value of angle this is equal to 64 degree. Now look, OI and OZ are the bisector of angle Y and Z. Since OI and OZ are bisector of angle Y and angle Z, therefore angle OYZ will be half of angle XYZ, mean this angle will be half of this angle. So that is equal to half into 54 degree. Now calculate it, 27 degree. So this angle is equal to 27 degree. Similarly, calculate the value of this angle OZY, and angle OZY is equal to half of angle XZY, and that is half of 64 degree, that is equal to 32 degree. So this angle equal to 32 degree. So one answer is now known. This angle equal to 32 degree. Now we have to calculate the value of this angle. Now if we consider the triangle OYZ, this triangle, and if we apply the angle sum property of the triangle, then what we have, that angle YOZ plus angle ZOZY OZY plus angle ZYO will be equal to 180 degree. That means angle YOZ plus OZY is equal to 32 degree plus ZYO that is equal to 27 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree minus 32 degree plus 27 degree. So that is 180 degree minus 57 degree. So if I subtract 180 from 57 sorry 59, so it will be 1 6 2 1 121 degree. So value of this angle is equal to 121 degree, and hence solve. Okay, so this is the second question. Okay, so now solve the third question. So the third question is in the figure 6.41. The diagram is given. If AB is parallel to DE, so one line is AB and one line is DE. The lines are parallel, it is given. Okay, joint A to E and C is a point here. Joint C to D. Angle CDE is equal to 53 degree. This is equal to 53 degree, and angle BAC is equal to 35 degree. This is equal to 35 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the value of DCE. DCE. We have to find the value of this angle. Okay, so how we can calculate the value of this angle? Now look, if there are two parallel lines and one transversal is there, so this angle and this angle are equal. They are called alternate interior angle. So in the diagram it is given that the line AB and the line DE are parallel to each other, and AE is the transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So as this is 35 degree, so this angle will be also 35 degree. Okay, now given AB is parallel to DE and AE is the transversal. A is the transversal. Therefore, angle BAC will be equal to angle CED. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. That means the value of BAC is given as 35 degree is equal to angle CED. That means angle CED is equal to 35 degree. So this angle equal to 35 degree. Now if I consider this triangle, look, in that triangle, out of 3 angles, 2 angles is given. Okay, out of 3 angles, 2 angles is given. So if we consider the triangle CDE, and if we apply the angle sum property, then we have angle DCE plus angle CDE plus angle DEC is equal to 180 degree. Mean this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. That is called angle sum property of a triangle. That means equal to the value of angle DCE. We don't know the value of angle DCE, but remaining 2 value are known. It is 53 degree and plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus 53 plus 35 degree. So that is angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus it is 88 degree. That means is its value is equal to 8, it's 2, 9 and 9, 18. So 92 degree. So value of this angle is equal to 92 degree. Value of this angle equal to 92 degree. Means DC is equal to 92 degree, and hence solved. Okay, this was question number 3. Okay, so now next let's proceed to question number 4 now. Question number 4. Question number 4 is in the figure 6.42. So look, 6.42, it is given. There are two lines RS and one line is PQ intersect each other at the point T. This join these two point. Angle PRT equal to 40 degree. This angle equal to 40 degree. This angle is equal to 95 degree. And angle TSQ is equal to 75 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the value of angle SQT, value of this angle. Okay, so how to prove that one? So we'll first consider this triangle PQ PRT. So in that triangle, out of 3 angles, 2 angle is given. So we can easily calculate the third angle by using angle sum property of a triangle. So consider the triangle PRT and apply the angle sum property. That means the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this angle means angle PRT plus this angle, that is RPT, plus this angle, that is PTR, is equal to 180 degree. That means this angle is equal to 40 degree plus this angle is equal to 95 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. That means angle PTR is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree plus 95 degree. Now do the calculation. PTR is equal to 180 degree minus add them, so 5 and it is 135 degree. Now if I subtract it, that will be 5 10 is 5 4, that is 45 degree. So the value of this angle is equal to 45 degree. Now look, if two lines intersect each other, then this pair of angle is called vertically opposite angle, and value of vertical opposite angle is always equal. Now we can say that the line RS and the line PQ intersect at the point T. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, so value of these two angles will be equal. So angle PTR will be equal to angle STQ. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So that means this is 45 degree is equal to angle STQ. That means angle STQ is equal to 45 degree. So this angle is equal to 45 degree. Now if I consider this triangle, so in that triangle, out of 3 angles, 2 angles are known. So we can easily calculate the unknown angle by using angle sum property. So now then consider the triangle STQ and apply the angle sum property. So we have angle STQ plus angle TQS plus angle QST is equal to 180. Within bracket we have to mention the condition, means criteria, by the angle sum property of a triangle. That is equal to, what is the value of angle STQ? Value of angle STQ is equal to 45 degree plus what is the value of TQS? TQS is not given, so it is TQS. And what is the value of angle QST? So QST is equal to 75 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Means angle TQS is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree plus 75 degree. That means 180 degree minus, add them, so 5 5 10 and 8 plus 4 12, so that is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. So value of this angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Okay, now there are two more questions, question number 5 and question number 6, and then your exercise, means your chapter will be completed. Okay, so let's solve the last two questions. Question number 5. Look, question number 5 is, the diagram is given in 6.43. So draw the diagram. It is given here. One line PQ and the line ST are parallel to each other. This angle is equal to 90 degree. There's a point R. QR is joint. Okay, and then joint QS. Now in the figure, PQ is perpendicular to PS. So PQ is perpendicular to PS. So this angle is equal to 90 degree. And angle SQR, this angle is equal to 28 degree. Angle QRT is equal to 65 degree. Find the value of X and Y, where Y means this angle and X means this angle. And it is given that the PQ is parallel to SR. These two lines are parallel to each other. Now look, we know if there are two parallel lines and one transversal, so these two angles are alternate interior angle and they are equal. So here there are also two parallel lines. One is PQ and SR are two parallel line, and look, the line QR is the transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So therefore angle PQR will be equal to angle QRT. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles, That means what is the value of PQR? Now PQR is actually consisting of two angles. One angle is PQS and SQR. So sum of these two angles will give the value angle PQR. So in place of angle PQR, we can write X plus 28 degree, because this value is X plus 28 degree. So X plus 28 degree is equal to 65 degree. That means X will equal to 65 degree and minus 28 degree. Now if I subtract this, so we have X is equal to 5 minus 8, that is equal to, and 1 3, so 3. So this is equal to 37 degree. So value of X is equal to 37 degree. Okay, now X is known. We have to calculate now value of Y, value of this angle. Now for that, if I consider this triangle means PQS, and if we apply the angle sum property, because this angle is known, we have to find the remaining one unknown angle. So applying angle sum property, we can easily calculate it. So apply that. So in the triangle SPQS. If I apply angle sum property, so it will be angle SPQ plus angle PQS plus angle QSP is equal to 180 degree, and within bracket mention the condition why it is equal to 180 degree, because the angle sum property. So what is the measurement of angle SPQ? ASPQ, which is equal to 90 degree, plus angle PQS. So angle PQS equal to 37 degree, plus angle QPS is unknown, means actually you have to find the value of QPS, that's equal to 180 degree, means angle QPS is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 37 degree. That means angle QPS is equal to 180 degree, and sum of 90 and 37 is equal to 127 degree. Now 180 minus 127, that will be equal to 3 and 8, that is 5, so it is 53 degree. So value of y is equal to 53 degree. This angle equal to 53 degree, and hence value of x and value of y unknown. This is y, so y equal to 53 degree. So the solution equal to x equal to 35 degree and value of y equal to 53 degree. Okay, so this is the question number 5. Okay, so now we are about to finish the chapter. There is a one last question and very important from your exam point of view. Okay, so solve the last question, means question number 6. Okay, so see what is in question number 6. So in question number 6, it is given that in the figure 6.44, the side QR of the triangle PQR is produced to the point S. So draw a triangle PQR. This is PQR whose side QR is produced to the point S. If the bisector of angle PQR, this is PQR, so bisector of this angle and bisector of angle PRS, these two bisector intersect at the point T, we have to prove that angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Mean this angle is equal to half of this angle. It's a very important question from your exam point of view. Okay, so see how we can solve this problem. Now I'm telling you the procedure how to solve this problem. Now look, to solve this problem we'll use the exterior angle property of a triangle. Just exterior angle property of a triangle. If you use that property, we can solve this problem. And one thing is, what is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means a line which divide the angle into two equal parts. I have already discussed about it. Okay, so look, what is given here? Given that QT and RT are the bisectors, bisector of angle PQR and angle PRS. Means QT is the bisector of this angle and QR is the bisector of this angle. So we know that by bisector means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So this angle will be half of the angle QPR and this angle will be half of angle PRS. So we can write that angle TQR is equal to half of angle PQR and and angle TRS is equal to half of angle PRS. Okay, let us make a numbering. This is equation number 1. Now consider the triangle PQR. Consider the triangle PQR whose one side QR is produced to the point S. Then we know the exterior angle will be the sum of the interior opposite angle. So we can say that the angle PRS means this exterior angle is equal to sum of this angle plus this angle is equal to sum of angle PQ sum of angle PQR plus angle QPR. Now from here calculate the value of QPR. That means angle QPR is equal to angle PRS minus angle PQR. Angle PRS minus angle PQR. This is our equation number 2. Okay, now consider the triangle this triangle TQR. Consider the triangle TQR, and you can see that the side QR is produced to S. In the triangle, the side QR is also produced to S. So the exterior angle, this angle TSR, so the exterior angle TSR will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle, mean this angle and this angle. So is equal to angle TQR, that is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. So from here calculate the value of QTR. So QTR is equal to angle TSR minus angle TQR. TSR minus angle TSR, TRS. Sorry, it is TRS. Exterior angle TRS minus TQR. Okay, so from here the angle QTR is equal to, now what is the value of angle TRS? Now value TRS is equal to look, we have in question number 1 that angle TR is equal to half of angle PRS. So in place of TRS we can write half of angle PRS minus in place of TQR we can write half of angle PQR. So we can take half common, Q2 are equal to, we can take half common, so angle PRS minus angle PQR. So that is angle QTR is equal to half. This is from 1. Now look, if I use now this condition number 2, we can see that angle PRS minus angle PQR, which is equal to angle QPR. PRS minus PQR is equal to QPR. So in place of that we can replace it by QPR. So PRS minus, we can write QPR. So QTR is equal to half of QPR, and hence proved. So QTR is equal to half of QPR, hence proved. So you can see this is the hardest problem in this chapter. Not actually hardest point, but it is different from the previous one, and it is very important from your exam point of view also. Clear? So finally we complete this exercise, means is this chapter. So next day we'll start a different chapter. Okay, thank you.